Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can become an agent of Western Union. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Western Union agent in Google. So once you do that, let's scroll a little bit down, and you can see there is become a Western Union agent option in your on the screen. So let's tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official page of the Western Union. So now you can read all the requirements and so on. So you can see there is a button where it is written become a Western Union agent. So let's tap on this allow button, and once you do that, you'll be redirected to the another section where you can read it by yourself, and you can see it is written, are you the owner of business with a trading location? So you simply need to complete all the formalities and you need to go to the next. So let's say yes, and let's enter the country. So you can choose any of the country from here. So once you do that, simply tap on the next, and once you complete all the formalities and once you verify yourself, you will be able to become an agent of the Western Union. So basically this is how, and this is the process to become the Western Union. And if you're still encountering any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.